Welcome back. If you are still using your AI assistant just for autocomplete, you are already falling behind. We are officially in the era of agentic AI. These aren't just chatbots, they are autonomous agents that can read your entire codebase, run terminal commands, and fix errors on their own. Today, we are putting the top three agentic coding tools head-to-head: OpenCode, Claude Code, and Cursor. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one deserves a spot in your workflow. Let's break down the contenders. First, OpenCode. This is the open source heavyweight. It is incredibly flexible, allowing you to plug in whatever model you want, whether that's a massive cloud model or a small language model running locally. If you want total control, this is where you start. Next, Claude Code. Anthropic built this to live right in your terminal. It shines when you need deep reasoning. If you're dealing with complex enterprise logic, Claude Code's ability to maintain context over long, multi-step tasks is seriously impressive. Finally, Cursor. This is an AI-native IDE forked straight from VS Code. It's built for speed and ease of use out of the box, giving you excellent visual diffs and a seamless coding experience without needing to configure a ton of plugins. But specs only mean so much. Let's look at a real-world test. I recently needed to debug an automated data processing script which executes Python and LangChain code directly through a PowerShell environment. It's exactly the kind of setup where environment variables and pathing can easily get tangled. I threw a local script error at all three tools to see how they handled the PowerShell integration. Cursor gave me a fantastic visual breakdown of the error right in the editor, making it easy to accept the fix with a single keystroke. It felt incredibly fast and intuitive. Claude Code, living directly in the terminal, didn't just give me the Python fix. It reasoned through the PowerShell execution policy constraints and suggested the exact command needed to bypass the restrictions safely. OpenCode, true to its nature, gave me a raw, highly customizable fix that I could tweak before applying, though it required a bit more manual steering to get the environment running perfectly. So, what's the verdict? If you're a project manager or a developer who just wants an out-of-the-box, frictionless experience with a beautiful UI, download Cursor right now. If you're living in the command line and tackling complex, multi-layered reasoning tasks, especially involving back-end frameworks and terminal execution, Claude Code is going to be your best friend. And if you're an open-source purist who demands total control over your models and environment, OpenCode is exactly what you need. Choose your tool, master it, and stop doing the boilerplate work yourself. Let me know in the comments which one you're integrating into your next sprint, and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive.